guys, and this is an unboxing of a First Generation Teddy Ruxpin. So let's begin. The box is pretty beat up, so I hope he's doing fine.
You can play a game of handball on the Great Wall of Fame, but surfing in Grando beats anything. Surf, surf, surfing Grando. Surf, surf, surfing Grando. Surf, surf, surfing Grando. Yeah, surfing Grando. Now I can all
So I don't own any of these First Generation Teddy Ruxpins.
real groovy time. Surf, surf, surfing Grando. Surf, surf, surfing Grando. Surf, surf, surfing Grando. Yeah, surfing Grando. Somehow it's kinda patriotic just to hang around all day, working on your tan while you hear a buddy say, "I like hanging on tennis gnarly dude, so have a groovy day." Yeah, surfing Grando. Surf, surf, surfing Grando. Surf, surf, surfing Grando.
Oh, so huge. Yeah. A little bit on the dirty side. Stinks. But it's Teddy. So let me test him. So here's Teddy. He needs some brushing, of course, but I just tested him, and his pinch roller has a dent in it. So it needs replacing, but yeah, it's a little dirty, of course. But let me just turn it on.
Your teddy bear, the way you carry him under your arm, he's safe from harm and he prefers being with you, 'cause he's your teddy bear. It doesn't really matter how worn his fur might be, or if the places he's been past leave stitches you can see. It doesn't matter if his eyes don't look as good as new. All that really matters is that he still loves you.
So you can hear it's a little bit jittering, and you can really hear his pinch rollers has a dent in it. So I'm gonna replace that. So yeah. So when filming this, the unboxing was yesterday, and it is now the last day of 2022. So I replaced the pinch roller, which was not really easy to do, but he sounds perfect now. But sadly his lower jaw still jitters a bit. I hope it goes away, because the other motors stopped jittering too, so I hope. And I also brushed him, as you can see. But let's turn Teddy on.
Could dance, but something about that music. Yeah, grind to soak up rhythm. Like a song. So if you're looking for fun, do the grind, do it. Do the grind, do it.
Now just suppose you want to make a good impression on everyone who knows you. What do you do? If you stay stationary, then you're very uncool.
Thanks for watching, like and subscribe to the Teddy Ruxpin channel.